Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make grilled prawns. Here I've got a kilo of prawns which I've cleaned and deveined, a stick and a half of butter, a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of freshly ground garlic, a teaspoon of parsley, some black pepper, some salt for seasoning, and some paprika. I'm going to start off by making our batter for our prawns. In our bowl here with our butter, we're going to be adding in a tablespoon of oil, and then I'm going to give it a mix. Then I'm going to put in our parsley, all of it, and then our garlic. Take everything out, and then our aromat with some seasoning, and then some black pepper. Let's grind that in. And then we're going to add half a teaspoon of paprika. Okay, we're going to give this a good mix. There we go, nicely mixed. And our last final ingredient to go into our prawn is some lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I'm going to be squeezing in half a lemon into our sauce. It's going to be tangy and tasty and buttery as well. Good squeeze. Okay, so give this another mix now. Once we've mixed it up nicely, start this garlic that's on the side here. Mix it up nicely. I'm going to drop this all over our prawns. And then I'm going to wrap this in the oven. Scrape the sides of our bowl. Make sure all our mixtures in our prawns. I'm going to give this a good stir. Make sure everything is covered, coated. The coating might seem a bit less, but remember it's going into the oven, it's butter, so it's going to melt out. Okay, now that we've got this going, I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes until our prawns are nicely done. 15 minutes and we're ready to eat. Okay guys, after 15 minutes, we have our prawns. You can see it's still steaming. I'm now going to plate this up. And here we have it guys, our grilled prawns. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.